the most important terms to understand the society is called culture. In easy word, we called culture as a way of life. As a way of life. Culture, we usually divide it into two parts. We call it as a material culture and non-material culture. Material culture and non-material culture is something related to the goods, physical objects. You can say food, house, clothes, etc. Some people have their own culture, their own kind of foods, house, clothes. Just assume that, but that material culture will also be changed time to time and also cross culturally. The food that you have in the Saudi, you won't have in Pakistan. Am I right? I mean, cross culturally change, society to society. The ideas related to the food are changing. Could be based on likeness, dislikeness, could be based on their culture, could be based on their religion perspective. But things are changing. Then we have non-material culture, something that is related to beliefs, ideas, norms, values, could be consumption patterns, right? Now what we are saying that all these things are constantly changing, are constantly changing. Once all these things are changing, and as I mentioned, change is directly proportional to, like, reality is directly proportional to the society. Once society will be changed, reality will also be changed. And what Anderson said, that these are the imagined communities, something that is in our mind. So what we can say, that societies also are mentally constructed. Can I say this? Societies are mentally constructed. How? This is a physical space. This location is called India. This location is called Pakistan. They are the Christian communities. They are the Muslim communities. Something that in our mind. So it's mean that we have basically created the society. Our mind has created the society. Society that is mentally constructed. Something that in our mind. First, you need to understand what is the culture. Culture is a way of life. So it's mean that changes in the way of life, changes in the way of life. What ingredients we add in the culture? We have a lot of things to add in the culture. For example, rituals, traditions, could be belief, could be ideology, all these things are culture. Okay, if I add a few more things, I can add values, and norms. Remember, what is the values? Values are the standard of the society. Standard of society. What is the norms? Norms, something, how to act. Right? All these are known as what? All these things known as the culture. It's mean whenever I say that culture is also changing, so you can say ideas, rituals, traditions, values, norms are also changing. So all these things are but changing. Changing what? Historically and cross-culturally. They are the functions of culture. Functions of culture. Given by Martin. Martin talk about the function of the culture. Number one, he called it as a manifesto. Manifest. And the other one is latent. Now, what is manifest? Manifest is related to something which is purpose, and latent, kind of a hidden message. For example, why you wear the clothes? Keep your body covered, right? This is called manifest. Mean the function of the culture, something which is related to its main purpose. But when we talk about latent message is a hidden message. Few people wear it for the sake of status. Overall idea that we are talking about is social construction of the reality basically constructed by the society, right? And what is the society? That is something in our mind. It has nothing to do with the nature. So if it has nothing to do with the nature, it means that this is not a fixed thing that will be changed. Once that particular things will be changed, so it means the reality that exists in the society will also be changed, and changed will be historical change and the cross-culture change.